Away from Texas.
Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
All right, guys. Mally, let me in front of you. It's cardio. Let's get the cardio in. I'm on your right side. That's why we got to get in shape. We got to beat the opponent by being in shape. They are. Who gonna die? Who? Oh, for sure. For sure. Wait, why y'all go out this? Oh. Wait. Hey, y'all, come out this way. Why y'all go this way? Come on. Hello. Excuse me, y'all. Come on. Excuse me, excuse me.
Hey, Uncle Neely. Weekend show. What's going on?
Come on.
What's going on, man?
Back in there. Come on, y'all. Walk with a purpose. Walk with a purpose. Come on. Y'all ready for the first game? Y'all moral support. Y'all ready for the first game? It look like. Come on, come on, come on.
Hey. Let's go! What up, Wall? Hey, what's up, bro?
Excuse us. Give me 1 second. Let me get some support.
What's up? Hey.
Y'all just stand right here next to the band. Excuse me, excuse me. Go on. It's the first game. Beat North Dakota State. We got some of the guys here preparing for the Buff Walk, and the rest of the guys will be pulling up here soon. So, let's go Buffs.
Oh, yeah. Work now. Can't complain, brother.
Ready to do this thing?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It's time.
Black Bullet. Who you walking with?
Be that leader.
So Shane.
Ass kicking start at 6:01. No second later. 6:01. That ass kicking start at 6:01. What up, boy?
Go up!
Come on!
Yeah.
Go, Bob!
Rock and roll.
Let's go, boss. Okay, I'll give you one. Yeah, come on, hard baby. Come on, baby. Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
Go, here you go.
Come on, Bob!
What up, Coach Hart? Good job. What up, Uncle Neely?
What up?
Go, Bob! Go, Bob!
Here we go.
Go, Bob! Go, boy!
Turn up. Turn up, huh?
What up, man?
What's up? My guy. My guy.
Let's go, guys. Time to dominate.
You're running back?
What's going through your mind?
Just gonna get a good warm up in, make sure I'm ready. Just like practice, same thing.
What does it feel like to have the first game be a home game?
That's actually a first for me, so I love home games though, playing in front of our fans. So yeah, I'm glad we can start the season off that way.
Mate. All right, Coach Dim, we are here for the season opener, which this year is a home opener. Talk to us about being at Folsom Field for week one.
It's a wonderful opportunity. I mean, being out here game one, the ultimate test is game one. You know, you really got to figure out where you are as a team, who you are as a team, what kind of guys you have, and to be able to do it in front of our home crowd. They're going to come out juiced up, ready to go. We're going to fly down on special teams and on defense, and I think it's going to be a great opportunity for us to allow us to show not only our fans, the world, what we got here in Boulder this year.
You cannot miss the first CU bus football game. You know, had to pull up. I'm moving, heading to Charlotte, Carolina Panthers, but I had to be here for game one. Cannot miss it.
Let me tell you this, Coach Taylor. Everybody in the comments on the videos been asking where you are, and here you are.
Hey, where I am, Carolina Panthers, where I'm at right now, game one, CU Buffs. Cannot miss it, man. I love my guys. I love my team. I'm rooting for them throughout the season, baby.
A man of few words is about to give us some words. Michael, what's going through your mind?
I'm finna go crazy. Give me the ball, I'm gonna do my thing. That's all I gotta see.
Ray at Strength and Conditioning. You know, you've been with these guys all spring, all summer, summer 1 and 2 fall camp. Are they ready?
Absolutely. I mean, it's night and day where we're at this year compared to last year. You know, size, strength, speed, conditioning. We're in a really good spot. We're excited to see him go against somebody else.
Hey, Governor, first home game of the season. We're here at Folsom Field. You're an original Buff, man. You've seen the work this offseason. What's going through your mind?
4 years here, and it still doesn't begin to describe the feeling just pregame that you get coming out here and looking at the flat irons and knowing that in about, 2 hours, this place is going to be rocking. And it's something that you never get sick of, and it's just, I can't wait. This is going to be insane. This is where it all starts. We start today, and it's all downhill until December. Not downhill, uphill. It's all uphill until January 20th. And, God, it's just such a good feeling to be back.
First game at home, and you're starting. How's it feel?
Man, it's amazing. First off, all the glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I wouldn't be anywhere without him. My mom, my dad, they're all here, my girl, and it's amazing. I just love you guys. I love Buff Nation.
What is it going to feel like when you get that first carry and break it open?
And it's going to be exciting. I'm going to follow those big boys up front and give them all the love because they deserve it. So, love you guys.
Can't wait to see it.
Yes, sir.
Trevor Woods, an original Buff. We get a home game week 1 at home. How's it feel?
Feels great. I think I've had this every year. It's a great way to start the season.
At home, what's your outlook? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Just got to go in here and handle our business, like always.
Ben, you are an original Buff, and we're at home.
We are. We're back in business. I'm a vet at this point.
How's it feel?
It feels amazing. I love this place. I love this atmosphere. I love Buff Nation. I love everything about everyone here. So I'm excited. We have a different mentality this year, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I can't wait.
And guess what, Ben?
What?
We love you.
And I love you more.